It's Geeta's world. When we were traveling from Patan to Ahmedabad in Gujarat, we happened to see such imposing towers. We got down and checked what is it. Can you guess? Look at that. The sun behind it is giving a halo glow to it. They are bird feeders or bird houses, locally called Chabutras. They are 11 feet to 22 feet tall structures made of wood, stone, or concrete, designed specifically for birds. The local people place water and seeds for the birds. These structures help birds seek refuge from harsh weather, hot sun, wind, etc. They are found in and around towns and villages in Gujarat. It is said that there are almost 300 Chabutra in and around Ahmedabad, out of which 120 are inside the city. These Chabutra form a part of the cultural heritage, and it's a communal space at the center of the village or town, sometimes inside temple compounds around which the residents gather. They are octagonal or pentagonal enclosures supported by a pillar and elevated to keep dogs or other animals away. The structures are open on all sides, allowing birds to fly in and out. Great to have such a tradition of sharing food and allowing coexistence of other living beings. Thank you for watching.